Okay, let me introduce you to another one here. 2025 Honda CRV Hybrid Sport Touring Model. This is the newest body style, the newest of the new. 2025 Sport Touring is top of the line. So it gives you all the amenities, creature comforts, accessories, options, whatever you want to call them. I can start naming them off. There's so many, it's going to take a while. But some of the notable ones is it has built-in navigation. So that's right on the dash. It's got predictive driving, meaning it'll get you the best fuel economy when you plug that address into that. Navigation. It does all sorts of crazy stuff. Bose radio, so it's got the best of the best sound system for the Honda CRV. Black alloy wheels, privacy glass in the rear, moonroof, power seats, leather, you name it, this thing's got it. Top of the line, only 7,900 miles. We sold this brand new. The gentleman's moving back to Florida, so he couldn't use the car. He sold it back to us. Honda certified, so 182 point inspection. We check it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Brakes, tires, fluids, filters, you name it. We make sure they're up to specification. Then we can back it with the Honda certified warranty, which gives you 7 years, 100,000 miles. Good at any Honda dealership in the United States. As always, all of the vehicles that we sell pre-owned come with 2 sets of keys, owner's manuals, Carfax report, all the history, 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations, lots of good stuff. Come on down. Let us show you why Victory Honda is the place to buy a pre-owned vehicle from. Show you the leather interior. Show you the back there. There's the moonroof. Both sets of keys right in the center. It's going to be professionally detailed inside and out. Come check us out today. 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan, 48170. Or give us a call, 734-453-3600. This one could be going home with you today. Thanks.